5 per unit. Okay? Understand that? And the next one is what we call the cardinal force. Ito na naman, ano? Okay? Ito lang ang moving over CCC over CCW. Okay? Ano yung ibig sabihin ng cardinal force? It's Q accurate. By changing, okay, so this one, this like for what you see, marginal cost equals change in total cost over change in quantity. For example, we have 125, over 30. Okay, kasi kanina 100 tayo, ginawa natin 125, then at 20, ginawa natin 30. Kung wala kanina, 0, ating na naman ang sana.